We are Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we've been full-time RVing since December of 2017. We have a heavy-duty truck with 2 Spyders, a DRV, and our smart car. We have several memberships that we use, but we try to use mostly Thousand Trails and Encore. This time we stayed at Medina Lake in Lakehills, Texas in October and in December. It's about an hour northwest of San Antonio. They have quite a few amenities there as well. Any associated videos I will link below. This is Medina Lake, Lakehills, Texas. Thousand Trails. And when you come in, you go to the left at the stop sign, and you go inside to check in. There's nobody in the little guard shack. They have a lot of parking in here, so it's easy to come in and turn around. And there's the office, which is currently under renovation. And also the guy up there that sells the Thousand Trails programs, memberships, is in there. And as is most Thousand Trails locations, the roads suck. You will get a code that you'll have to punch in to open up the gate. The speed limit here is 5 miles per hour, and they will stop you and give you warnings and potentially tickets. There's a really old house over here. I don't know what the story is on this house. Oh, a hotel? Oh, okay. There are deer everywhere around here, and they will be in your sights, and you can feed them. The main road's got 15 miles per hour for a short little stint, but for the most part it's 5 miles per hour.
Ain't that crazy?
Got to keep out of the potholes. So they've added some cabins and some other things. I would like to see them just fix the roads personally and the sites, but they are making some upgrades here. Nice location as far as being with all the trees and by the lake. There's Leroy. And here's the pool. I'll go in and get some video of it. This is a path coming up to the pool. If you come at night, bring a flashlight because there's no lights. And it's very dark in here. There's a post for a light, but there's no light on it. The pool is large, nice, clean. Big pool. That's the hot tub over there. Kiddie pool. And you got the restrooms right here. Kind of rustic, but they're good and clean. And the showers. We actually have good sized showers in here. Place to hang your items and your own private dressing area. So the laundry's in this little house here. like it's $1.50 to wash. Got a little sink in here. And it looks like it's $1.50 to dry. They also have a little kids play area outside of the laundry by the pool. I remember we used to buy these air plants back up in Michigan, but down here they're all over the ground and they hang on dead trees. So this old house sits in the park. So come up here, notice it says Spittle Riverside House, John Spettle, which is a road that we're on, through partnerships with Jacob Koenig, his brothers Joseph Spettle and his brother-in-law Louis, keep a successful area cattleman. By 1881, he and his bride, Teresa, were living in this home a mile south of Mitchell's Crossing on the Medina River. That was 1854 to 1941, now under the waters of Medina Lake. Featuring elaborate ornamentation, the Spittle Riverside House became a popular stop for travelers on the road between Castroville and Bandera. Following completion of the Medina Dam in 1912, it was moved to this site. These are all pull-throughs. Only thing is, they don't have 50 amp. And they don't have sewer. So they have, and I'm going to show you on the map here. This whole section right here has a ton of pull-throughs, nice size, but it's only 30 amp and water. Yeah, these guys back here are getting some wind. Mm-hmm. We would have had that if we would have been back here.
Yeah, we would have been getting whaled on. The dock's bobbing and weaving pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Pretty. There's the renovated putt-putt course. Here's the activity center. Huge pavilion. Played pickleball out here.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, they do.
With no sun in your way.
I like that. We got to get some pickleball.
I got them ordered.
You got them ordered already?
I do. Yeah.
Very good. Big Halloween festivities going.
Nice in here.
Oh, they got the kitchen like in Florida.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. TV couch. Wi-Fi.
We got the ice cream thing over here, Dave.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
called the corner scoop. And they got a kids corral there. It's probably a library, a little library area. Hi. Well, if you don't mind not having sewer, and 30 amps good enough for you, have this for your view. We're going to reconsider that. Our trip that we come when we come back. sight you see every day in Texas. Camels.